Hey guys, the Samsung Galaxy Z line is for productivity and multitasking, and having the S Pen with this device is going to increase your productivity and your multitasking abilities on a single device. The other screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 still do not support the S Pen, and you cannot use your S Pen to do anything with the outer screen. The S Pen works only with the inner screen of these devices. Maybe in the future we will have S Pen compatibility with the outer screen. I'm going to show you all the applications that are compatible with the S Pen and all applications that you need the S Pen in order to use. Okay, if you do not like the size of this S Pen, do not use the S Pen from a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or S23 Ultra because it will damage the inner screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 5 or 4 and you will have a broken screen. The S Pen that comes with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a little bit slimmer than the one that came with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. You may want that S Pen because it is a little bit slimmer and less bulky compared to the S Pen Galaxy Fold Edition. First time using the S Pen, this is the small setup that you have to go through. It is going to show you everything that you can do with the S Pen, mostly all the key aspects while using the S Pen on a Galaxy Z Fold 5. So while looking at the screen, you see you have a small S Pen. If you click on it, you're going to have a set of applications that are directly usable for the S Pen. On that small widget, you can see Create Note, View All Notes, Smart Select, Screen Write, AR Doodle, Translate, Pen Up, Bixby Vision, Magnify, and Glance. You can also access all the S Pen application by clicking on the button on your S Pen. To do that, you need to have the S Pen near the screen and click on the button. The first and most useful application is going to be the note-taking application. This is the first application that we have at the top of the S Pen lineup. At the top of the window, you can see you can grab that application and move it around, place it wherever you want on the screen. If you click on the blue line at the top of the application, you're going to see more settings that are going to change the way the application looks on the screen. You can make it bigger, smaller, make it disappear, or put it in minimization. Here is a little bit a very basic version of what you can do with the S Pen note-taking app. Using all the S Pen capabilities, copy image, copy videos, and put everything in a single PDF in the note-taking app. Okay, this was a very basic version of what you can achieve with the Samsung Galaxy Note-taking app. While doing all this, I used the default option that was for the S Pen. All the settings of the S Pen were by default. you can change every single aspect of how the note is taking on the S Pen. I believe the note taking app deserves its own videos. I can show you everything that is on the note taking app and show you all the aspects, all the technical stuff, and take full advantage of your note taking app and the S Pen. Click the video on the screen for the full tutorial on how to take advantage of your S Pen while using it on a Galaxy S23 Ultra. Subscribe so that you do not miss my full tutorial on the note taking app on a Galaxy Z Fold 5 and 4. I will be covering all the aspects, everything that you can do on the note taking app, the side of multitasking that you can do also on this Galaxy Z line.